The best sellers on Amazon don't get there simply by relying on Amazon to generate reviews and sales. They get there by taking reviews and sales into their own hands. And when I say best sellers, I actually mean best-selling products on Amazon. So a lot of new sellers, what they do is they solely rely on the Amazon platform to generate reviews, which is fine and all, but it does take a while to generate traction. Especially for new products with 0 reviews, it can almost seem like a huge mountain that you have to climb in order to gain some traction as far as getting reviews, because we all know the more positive reviews you get, the more sales you're gonna get, because it's just that much more social proof backing up your product. And if you're a new seller on Amazon, you're probably thinking of the standard way to generate reviews for your product is simply by driving PPC sales to your product and then following up with them through Amazon's review request feature to hopefully get some feedback for your product. You can also utilize Amazon's early review feature and the Vine program if you're a registered brand on Amazon to get those initial 5 to 10 reviews for your product. Now, once you get those initial 5 to 10 reviews for your product and you are using PPC to utilize more sales and hopefully get more reviews through a series of more units being sold, there are more sophisticated ways that I'm about to go over that will help you take reviews and sales into your own hands. Now, one of the more creative ways that I've seen Amazon sellers get reviews, especially best-selling products, is simply by adding some sort of a feature on the product itself. I don't know if you could see that or not, but simply all this product is, it's one of my favorite supplements. At the very top is just a simple sticker on the product. And the sticker says, get 2 bottles of X product for free. Just visit, and it has the website. And then of course it has limited time offer. Now what I like about this is the simplicity of it. All it is just a sticker on the product. And what it's advertising is simply get another product for free. So if you have another product, you can offer that for free. Or if it's the same product, you can offer another unit for free. All they need to do is visit your website to claim the offer. And what the sellers are doing is they're driving traffic towards a landing page, okay? And when traffic goes to a landing page, what they're showing on that landing page is basically go ahead and put your email, and once you do that, it'll probably ask you to opt in for text messages. And if you're okay with that, they'll try and contact you multiple ways. And if you sign up for their new deal, all you need to do is leave a review for your product, and then you just go back to the website and simply put your review there as proof that you did leave a review. Now, they're not nudging sellers to leave a positive review. They're just telling prospective buyers to leave a review if you like the product. And the reason why they have the sticker on here is so that way they can contact the customers more directly, as opposed to just relying on Amazon's system to request reviews into customers' mailboxes. This way, sellers can contact them through email or through text message or any other way that they see fit in order to get more reviews for their product. And it's real simple, really. They're basically giving away products for free to get, reviews for their product. And that's one of the ways that the best sellers on Amazon are generating some reviews. Now, if you can't afford to give away units to get reviews, I just wanted to show you a way that some of the best sellers are doing this in order to get more traction for their products. And it must be working really well because they have been best sellers for a long time along with all of their other products. So they're doing something right. And I've noticed this pattern with several other best-selling products. They're putting some sort of an offer where you hit the landing page after seeing the sticker to redeem a free product in exchange for a review. If you don't have the budget to be giving away products continuously to be getting more reviews that way, then what you can do is you can still drive Facebook ads to your Amazon listing, and in the process of generating traffic from Facebook, you can collect emails, get people's phone numbers, and offer them other incentives to leave a review for your product. And you can use a really cool tool like REBATE to help you with that. And with the REBATE app, all you have to do is simply click to connect to your ManyChat account, and that's basically it. We'll fulfill either a coupon or a rebate for your product, and that incentive is what you'll use to build your audience, and that audience then turns into dollars and into reviews, because then then you follow up with marketing in order to get more reviews. Now, this strategy is very popular, especially for beginner sellers, because beginner sellers don't necessarily have the large budget to be giving away hundreds or even thousands of units potentially to new customers in order to leave a review. New sellers usually start by driving Facebook ads, and then what they're doing is they're using that traffic to have multiple touch points in order to ask for a review, and this way they're able to do it on their terms without having to rely on Amazon to generate those reviews. And once you build up some momentum, you already have an audience that you have subscribed, you offer some sort of an incentive like a coupon or a rebate like I just mentioned, and then eventually once you get your first 100 or even first 500 reviews, then you can probably mix up the strategy and probably start doing more free products and have more ways to stack on top of each other that you're going to be generating reviews. Again, this way is super popular because you're building an asset for your business, right? The audience is an asset for your business because over the long term, you can start doing lookalike audiences for people who've subscribed to your email list and have either already purchased one of your products or are in the process of purchasing your products. And if the products are great, then they also recommend your products to your friends and family. And if the offer is 30 to 40% off on future products, feel free to share that with your friends, with your family, with whoever. That helps build virality. Now, I know this sounds like a whole lot of information, but it's incredibly simple once you boil down the key basics to this. It's just basically traffic, funnel, Amazon, and that's basically it. And in that entire process is where you're going to be offering some sort of an incentive, but this is one of the fastest ways that Amazon sellers are getting to that first 100 reviews is by not simply waiting for Amazon SEO to rank you or for Amazon pay-per-click to get you those much needed sales. It's taking traffic into your own hands and using a tool like REBATE to help you build highly converting funnels and get more traffic to your Amazon listing, and you are in total control of this entire process. Now, the best part is you don't even need to be a professional at Facebook ads or at copywriting. You can outsource all of this to people on the Jungle Market or on Fiverr or Upwork or any other platform that offers these types of services. You simply just got to put help creating Facebook ads and you'll have dozens of people there waiting to help you create your Facebook ad and even help you write the copy for your product. And when you use a tool like REBATE, all you need to do is simply click a few buttons and that's basically it. We'll fulfill the entire project for you, whether you want to offer a rebate in the form of a gift card or if you want to offer some sort of a coupon. We'll facilitate the entire process for you, making it incredibly easy for you to do this with just a few clicks. And we designed REBATE just to be that way. We know that sellers need to focus on their business, but an important part of that is being able to take traffic into your own hands. And we designed everything to help Amazon sellers get their first 100 or even first 1,000 verified reviews on Amazon without having any sort of marketing experience or any sort of knowledge on building out these complex funnels. We take care of that entire process for you. Well, there you have it. Now you have the strategies to get your first 100 verified reviews on Amazon, and I hope you use REBATE so you can just see how powerful this tool really is for your Amazon FBA business. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave me a comment below. I will also have a link to a special promotion we're running at REBATE, so see the link below in the description to claim that offer. And of course, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Just simply leave me a comment below. And if you found this video resourceful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That would mean the world to me. Well, I'll catch you guys on the next video.